Hi, my name is David, and this is Teddy. That's a good boy. Off leash in a downstay in the park. Really amazing. We got Teddy about 10 months ago. Came to us, he was already a year old. He was really great at home, but any kind of distractions, squirrels, bunnies, rabbits, other dogs, people on bicycles, he'd be in his own world, pulling on the leash, just kind of going crazy. We've had Teddy back about a month now, and it's just really incredible the progress he's made in those short 2 weeks. Absolutely amazing. Teddy, free. And taking him off leash in a park like this is not something I would have done before. I wouldn't have had the confidence for him to come back when I call him. Teddy, come. Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy, yeah. Who's a good boy? Oh, yes, good job. Good sit, good boy. So thank you, Heart of the Dog, you've been amazing.